Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past question 34. A regular polygon has the sum of interior angle as 1080 degree. Find one of the exterior angles. A 105 degree, B 60 degree, C 45 degree, and D 48 degree. So instead, a regular polygon has the sum of interior angles as 180 degree. So the sum of interior angle is equals to 1080 degree. And like we know, the formula for finding the sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180, where n stands for the number of sides of the polygon, and we are given that a regular polygon has the sum of interior angle to be 1080 degree. So 1080 degree is the sum of this interior angle of this polygon. And so for us to know the number of sides of this polygon, we must equate this formula to 1080 degree. So therefore we have that n minus 2 in brackets multiplied by 180 is equal to 1080 degree. So from here we have that 180 will multiply n to give us 180n minus 180 will multiply 2 to give us 360 is equal to 1080 degree. So from here we collect like terms, we have that 180n is equal to 1080 degree plus 360. Now we have that 180n is equal to 1440 degree. So divide both sides by 180 to get the n. Since 180 is the coefficient of n, this one needs to cancel 180 here. We have n is equal to, and then 1440 divided by 180 is equal to 8. So our n is equal to 8. That means the number of sides of this polygon is 8, meaning that this polygon is is an octagon. That is, this polygon is an octagon. It has 8 sides. We'll find the number of sides now to be 8. Now another point, sum of exterior angle of any polygon at all is equal to 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360, and from the question we are asked to find one of the exterior angles. Now, if the sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, then to find one of the exterior angle, we divide the sum of exterior angle 360 all over the number of sides of this polygon. And since this polygon is an 8-sided polygon, so to find one of the exterior angle, we divide the sum of the exterior angle, which is 360, by 8. So therefore, we say that one of exterior angle is equal to 360 all over 8, and this will give us this will give us 45 degree. So therefore, one of the exterior angle of this regular polygon, which is an octagon, 8-sided polygon, is 45 degree by dividing 360 by 8. So we have 45 degree. And from the options here, option A says 105 degree, which is wrong. B says 60, which is wrong. C says 45, which is very correct, and D says 48, which is wrong. So our final answer to this question is C, 45 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.